Okay, today's project, we gotta build a base for this crane I have here. It's gonna go on a pontoon boat so they can install seawalls. This is what I got going on, and the got a 15 by 15 square base. And what I'll do is I'll cut 2 plates out of, got some thick plate here. We're going to use that top plate, 3/4. That's a 1-inch plate I got, but we'll use the 3/4 plate. And I got a piece of pipe cut for my base, which is right here. This is going to be an access door. I have the hinge right there that needs to be welded on first, and we got pretty much a 13-inch diameter pipe here. It's a little bent, but it doesn't matter. It's just going to be a base, and we're going to CNC cut some 3/4-inch plate. So let's go to the computer. Fairly easy. We have Fusion 360 opened, and we will create a sketch on our lower plane. You can see that's our top, and real simple, we'll create a 15 tab 15 enter. So we got a 15 by 15-inch square. Yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll radius the corners. There you go. And we'll do a 0.5-inch radius. Real easy. And then we go up here and we click our sketch. We'll right click that and we'll save it as a DXF. And I'll save it to my downloaded folders. And actually, yeah, we'll go in here. We'll just call this base plate crane, and we'll save it, and it's done. Okay, let's bring it out to the plasma table. Okay, what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and we'll open SheetCam, and we'll import our file, import drawing, and we will go to our folder and base plate crane. We open that up. There's our part. We know it's a good drawing because it's a solid color, it's not white. And we'll go to operation, we'll plasma cut. That's our layer, outside offset, 65 amp. Okay, we're gonna have to go with 85 amp 3/4 steel, and our lead in is gonna be the same thickness of our metal. Click OK, and we will post process it. We'll save it there. We'll minimize this, and now we'll open it up in Command CNC. Open, black zip, recent files. It's right here at the top. And there's our file. Okay, let's get ready to cut this. We'll load the table up and we'll get ready to cut it. Okay, let's see how it cuts. I'll pause it and I'll pull that plate off of there. Nice, clean cut. Very little dross, and the dross will scrape right off the bottom. Very nice. Look at how clean that cut is. That's 3/4, running my PowerMax 85.